MC. Cameraman, sometimes you must test. When somebody else comes here, you must test whether the people or the audience heard what he was saying. I can see Marvin Bella saying, don't come ask here. I'm coming. Huh? Lindy, did you hear what Mr. Mkwana said? Yeah. Guys, in short, we're trying to say that we don't have two reds. Hosa, posa. We don't have. Right? We gave you all the skills that you can become whatever you want to become, if only you can use your brains. Now, up next, I am going to call somebody else above the teachers, right? Who's in management of the school. I am going to call up Ms. Memaleka, who is going to come and speak on, or as the person who's part of management at the school of LENZ Public School. I would like you guys to give her a round of applause as I collect her to come through.
Good evening to my colleagues. Good evening to the ladies and the gentlemen whom are no longer candidates, whom are no longer learners. Good morning to everybody. Mine is just to say goodbye to our grade 12, 2025. You guys have been a handful, I must say. But we enjoyed each and every moment with you guys. And we hope that the world out there, you will be able to manage whatever hiccups that you might come across, whatever humps that you might come across, whatever challenges that you might come across, because those are a reality of life. As you are seated here, you are starting a new life, and of which you still need to go and learn about how to go about handling those problems, those challenges that you will come across. But the reality is, you are starting a new life. On that note, I just have 4 points for you guys to take along with as homework to look into. You don't need to write. It's just a thought. Yes. The first one, Banabak, is today we are celebrating not just completion of your schooling years, but we are celebrating the beginning of a new life. You must know that you need to be independent in order for you to be able to succeed in life. Mr. Mkwana indicated right now it doesn't sink. It doesn't sink, but I believe that when our guest speaker comes to the front to come and give us a word, you guys will understand, because he will actually be talking a language that you will understand, since he's one of ours whom we also once addressed and he did not understand, but I believe that at this point in time he now understands when I say the world out there needs your independence. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to be independent. You cannot be relying on a friend, on a parent, on a cousin or whoever, but you need to be independent. In order for you to be able to succeed in life, you must make things happen all by yourself. That does what? It belittles her. It belittles Sibusiso. If Sibusiso did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, therefore reputation your reputation is lowered. So make it a point that you walk with integrity. The last point is your vision. That which you dreamt of when you were a grade 1. Mr. Mkwana spoke about remembering your grade 1 teacher. And I believe that your grade 1 teacher must have asked you, what is it that you want to be in life? Wawore, I want to be a policeman. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse. Live upon that dream. Live upon that vision. We are pleading with you as LENZ Public, ladies and gentlemen, that you must have dreams. And the dream, you must live the dream each and every day. You must walk the dream each and every day. We want economists. We want pharmacists. We want doctors. We want therapists. We still want teachers, as much as you guys are giving us a headache. But we want teachers. So live your dream. Live your vision as you go out there. And then lastly, I would say, think about the person that you are going to become. Sit back and do some thinking, introspection. More ke batla ho ba mang mo bophelong. Ke batla ho ba drug addict na. Ke batla ho ba that statistic ya GBV. Kapo ke batla ho ipona ke le an independent lady, a doctor. Again, you don't have to lower that dream. You don't have to lower that vision. You must live it each and every day. So with those few words, Bantwana Bam, I am saying to you, congratulations, and we wish you all of the best as a school or LENZ Public. Like Mr. Mkwana indicated, please, let's not meet you along the streets, Larry, cigarette, 10 rand, 10 cents. We want to see doctors, let's amakari koloi, and you still owe me my Hyundai item. I thank you.
I come back. Hello, I come back. Hi, baby girl. Hi, sweetie. What did you take from the speech?
That we
must have resilience and be courageous.
Shailen Izandla. Shailen Izandla, come on now. And at this moment, I'm about to call the Queen. The Queen, come to the dance floor. I need a Gazi. Nayazi. Okay, so I'm about to call the Queen, the head, the Royal Highness, the most supporting manager I've ever seen. Guys, when we come in Sundays, there are few principals who will actually come to school on Sunday. But with ours, guys, Lalela cross night, Ari, Kide, and she cooks for us, guys. We are actually grateful, and I think we are blessed. Tina, some of us we have actually tasted her food. Siyabona. So as I'm about to call the head of LENZ Public School, I would like us to stand up. I would like us to praise. I would like us to clap, to appreciate her. Guys, can she feel the love that he has been showing us? But, okay, DJ,
want me to refer to you as ladies and gentlemen. I wish I decided to write something on a piece of paper. How I wish I drafted something for you and relate to you this morning and read it for you. When I thought of doing it, something said to me, there's no need. Because you are mine, I am you. All I want to say is, welcome to adulthood. The challenge you are faced with, or we thought you had, is nothing. But what's going to come for you is something that you're going to learn and experience. And every day we are trying, as adults as we are, to say, why are we growing this fast? Why such challenges in life? My dear children, you look stunning. I don't even recognize who is who here. So for me to be safe and safeguard my position in terms of making speech, I just understood what my colleagues said. And I adore and respect what they said. Please take what every speaker is saying here, take it very serious, without being bored, without being analyzing the tone, the phrase of the sentences. Just do exactly and take something from every speech. There's no way that you have everything that we say and you run with it. But as a matter of fact, take something from it. I just want to make fun of this afternoon. This evening must be a lovely one because I want to remember the day and I want to remember you being excited. I therefore request all the ladies in red dresses to join me. Yes, come through. DJ, have something for us, please. All the ladies in red dress, come over. What you prepare? Oh, yes. Come through. All the ladies in black dresses, All the people who are wearing this color, they understand money.
Yeah,